Good morning, guys. I don't know if I'm actually gonna vlog off today, but I'm gonna start it just in case I decide to vlog. But today is Veronica's wedding day, and I'm so excited for her. I'm about to hop in the shower real quick, take a quick shower, and then she's actually having us get ready in the hotel that I'm in right now. So I'm gonna find out what room they're in and go over there and start getting ready. I'm so excited, but I'm also so tired, so maybe a quick shower will help wake me up. I'm gonna go do that, I think. He's not still asleep. He can definitely hear me because he heard me waking up. But yeah, I'm gonna get in the shower real quick and see if that wakes me up a little bit, and I'll catch up with you guys shortly. I got me some little gifts. I had to go have Jacob go get them because I was already naked in the shower when she texted me, so I'm gonna see what's in here. I'm super excited. I'm wearing a towel. I just got out of the shower, but I opened this gift and I am blown away. She got me some bubble bath, which is like a little cute champagne thing. She got me some pajamas to wear while getting ready, which is what I gotta put on now. She got me a Vera Bradley cup, which we were gonna buy a cup yesterday, so I'm glad that I did it because now I have another one. And this is super cute, but the thing that literally made Jacob and I's jaw drop is a Coach freaking wristlet. Like, what the heck, Veronica? I haven't seen her yet, but that's amazing. Thank you. I mean, I haven't seen her today. I've seen her before, obviously. Thank you so much. I didn't know I'd be getting gifts today. I'm not the one getting married and getting a whole new husband. That's not for another year, but that's really cool. Thanks, B. Hair and makeup done. I've never been this glammed up in my entire life, ever. Leaving the hotel, we're checking out and we're going to Austin. I didn't vlog a lot last night, which I knew that I wouldn't. Sorry, I need to get out of Jacob's way because I always vlog whenever he's turning. I knew that I wouldn't, but I had a lot of fun, and I'm so happy for Veronica and I'm so happy for Brian. They are a wonderful couple and wonderful people, and they're on their honeymoon right now. Like, they went to the airport immediately after the wedding to go to Europe, so I'm really happy for them. We're gonna grab a snack and then we're gonna head to Austin, which is about a 3-hour drive depending on traffic, so that Jacob can explore. And I think today we are gonna try to go to watch that movie that we were trying to watch in the other vlog, so we'll see what we can get into today, but I'm really excited to explore Austin for a couple of hours with Jacob. Tell me that I won't go far. I'll be on the road till the sun sets down. How long will you hold my hand? Devil gon' come if I let him in. Oh, nothing you can do right now. I'm 93 southward bound. We gotta park in the parking garage, so I'm sorry the lighting's awful. But we got P. Terry's, which is like my favorite place in the whole wide world to eat when I come to Austin, and you can only get it in Austin. Jacob's examining his burger, which makes me nervous that there's something on it he doesn't like.
We'll find out.
Okay, this is Jacob's first time having P. Terry's, so tell me what you think. He's so underwhelmed. I love P. Terry's. It's very much like In-N-Out to me, I think. Okay, Jacob's not impressed, but P. Terry's is my favorite place in the whole wide world to eat, so I'm gonna enjoy it now. We went to go see the Joker. Jacob's, one of his things that he wanted to do was to go to Alamo, just didn't mean that because I was freaking out, was to go to an Alamo Draft House because we don't have those where we're from. I don't know if it's just a Texas thing.
I think it is.
Okay. So it's just something that we know that's here, but when we went to Houston, there was nothing playing that we wanted to see, and I think I was not feeling well, which shocker, I know. But so we decided to go home, and I told them that whenever we came to Austin, we would try doing it. And of course, I'm vlogging whenever Jacob's trying to get up a place he doesn't know. So we went and saw the Joker, and this, I've been to an Alamo Draft House, I think one time before, and this one was way more cooler, super hipstery. I got some like pictures and videos and stuff like that I had Jacob take for me, but it was really cool looking. And one thing I love about this city is that everyone is, it's so
turn right onto East Riverside Drive, then turn left onto Travis Heights Boulevard.
One's a little sausage.
One is a widow sausage. So one thing I love about the city is everyone is so neat looking. I always say hipstery, but I don't know if that's offensive, but everyone looks how I want to look. Like, I think all these people look so cool, like I want to be their friend, and that's one of the reasons I wanted to move here in the first place. And this is exactly how the Alamo Draft House was. It was super hipster and artsy, and I love that. So anyway, that was a really long time to explain what we did. I've been to Austin before, but Jacob has not, obviously. So we found an In-N-Out to eat in Waco. We were looking for one, but we couldn't find it, and we'd already ate P. Terry's. Jacob didn't like, so we're gonna try In-N-Out, and I am not gonna bore you guys with us trying it again. We'll come back. I've already had In-N-Out, and I don't think I love it that much, but we'll see what Jacob thinks since he's the burger connoisseur. So we'll get back to you when we're done eating, so you don't have to see us eating, because all we've done in these videos is eat. But we're on vacation, and I feel like people are gonna shit all over us, but we're on vacation. We don't ever eat out really when we're home, so I know we're fat, but we don't eat out a lot. I promise I would have filmed his actual reaction to that, because that was the only time he's been excited about the burger all day.
Oh yeah, it was by far and large the best one we've had.
Every other time he's like, it's okay, it's alright. And then he bit into it, and what'd you say this time?
This is fucking solid.
He was like, this is the best burger I've ever ate in my life. And every other time he's like, this is okay. But I will say it was a good burger. They put all the crap on mine that I don't mind, like lettuce and tomato.
Anything, you know.
And it had a sauce, because he ordered it animal style, and I don't know if I got animal style sauce on it, but I think that I did. It was actually really good. And this time I didn't get cheese on the fries, and it was much better. It was a solid
cheese
experience.
fries you gotta eat fast.
Well, their cheese hardens.
That's what I mean. You gotta eat it fast.
Their cheese hardened real quick, so
It was like that magic shell for ice cream.
yes. So I didn't like it, but without the cheese, it was solid. This was a way better experience than I had
Fries
last
are
time.
crisp, not crunchy, was what I described them as.
So we were happy. I wish I could have got his reaction, but we're in Waco. We're heading back. We're gonna just try to drive. Well, he's gonna try to drive until he can't drive anymore, and I'm gonna nap and watch YouTube on my phone. So I will catch up with you either when we get to the hotel or when we get home. All right. Bye. You guys, we stopped at Buc-ee's. We're not even out of Texas yet, and I am already beat. I got makeup in my eye, so I had to rub all my makeup off, and it messed up my sinuses, and I'm so tired. You're gonna see my eye crossing because I'm so sleepy. You see it? Yeah. But anyway, with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. It has been so much fun vlogging for you guys, and this trip has been quick but fun. I love vlogging because I'm gonna be able to look back on these memories. This time next week we'll be in Florida because my sister's getting married. We are flying to Florida though because my sister is amazing and bought us the tickets to go to her wedding, so I'm very thankful for that. But I will be filming that as well, so I will see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!